It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking functions. We want to know or look at this graph of all these points on here and determine what we could do to make sure that it was a function. So let's go ahead and look at our question. We have on this coordinate plane that y is not a function of x. So as these points are plotted on this coordinate plane, it is not a function. We're asked to select one point that could be removed from the coordinate plane so that y would be a function of x. I'd like you to pause the video here, make your choice, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So we want to find one point that we're going to remove from this graph to make it a function, because currently it is not a function. So we know that y to be a function of x, we're going to use the vertical line test. To use the vertical line test to check for a function by confirming that no vertical line passes through more than one point on the graph. So if I check and I put a vertical line right here through -3, I only intersect one point. So removing that would not make this a function. Let's look at the next one. We're going to go through -1, only passing through one point. That wouldn't help. And we're going to go over here, which is our y-axis. Again, we're just intersecting one point, so again would not help. Vertical line passing through 1 on the x-axis, and I see I've intersected 2 points. So here we have it. We need to either remove this point right here to make it a function. Now it's a function because every vertical line would pass through only one point. You could have also selected this point, and then it would still only pass through this point because we would have removed this. So either 1, 1 or 1, 3, if they're removed, one of them, it is now a function. There you have it. You can determine a function using the vertical line test when any vertical line passing left to right on a graph can only pass through one point at a time. Thanks for joining me here at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and you come back soon.